A very warm welcome to class 5th. Today it's an activity day. We are all are going to enjoy a lot because as we have completed our syllabus, we are continuing with the revision as well as with our test. Simultaneously, it is also needed to boost ourselves with different kinds of activities. So we are going to start with one of the activity which is known as a part of a spoken skill part. That is, we are going to say either recitation or a paragraph or something very valuable thing, and those who have not prepared, that is not my fault, beta. You have to do that. I have already requested you all. And those who are not going to be prepared, I'm sorry, I won't be able to entertain them. So thank you so much for hearing me. And I would like to ask, let's start the show. And that is the activity session, online activity. And everyone has to do that. So I request Avni to start it. Avni, please.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Avni Jain. I am a student of class 5th and I am here to speak a few lines and my topic is religion. So, our India is a country of religions. There are many religions in India like Hindu, Jainism, Sikhism, Muslim, etc. Gujarati, Rajasthani, a lot and a lot. All the religions teach us one thing. All the religions are very nice and the gods, uh, different religions have different gods. Like Gujaratis have, Hindus have different gods like Rama and Shivji. In Jainism there are different gods, Lord Mahavir, Parshvanath, many. In Muslim, they prefer Allah. So there are many
Good
types of
afternoon, ma'am.
and
Don't speak in between.
they all have different thoughts, but they all religions have their different ideas. They are different from one another, but all the religions are one and the same. If you are in Hinduism, you will be the same. If you are in Jainism, you will be the same. Whatever your religion you choose, you shouldn't be like this, that this religion is best than that religion is best. All the religions teach us one and the same thing. All the gods teach us one and the same thing. We shouldn't make comparisons in religions. Thank you so much.
Okay, good job, Avni. Very good. I would like to go with Ashi now. Ashi, 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 are you ready with your activity? Ashi,
हाँ आ गया दिमाग सनकावी न राखी
Ashi, Arav, Arav,
Yes, ma'am.
please start, beta.
Ma'am.
No one will switch on the mic except the child who am I asking for. जिससे भी मैं पूछ रही हूँ वही बच्चा सिर्फ माइक ऑन करेगा. जान्या, switch off the mic as well as video.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. मैम स्क्रीन स्टॉप हो गया है, हो ही नहीं रहा है.
You log out and log in again. No one will speak in between. I have mute everyone. Now I'm going to ask Arav. Arav, please switch on the video. Arav. Yes, Arav. Start.
Ma'am, my name is Arav Botra. I am from class 5. I will talk about topic friendship. Friendship is the most rare thing in our life. If we are not in friendship, we cannot go to anything. Friendship is very necessary to be like we have friends so we can do our work. Like I have not pencil, so we can borrow borrow anything from our friends. Friends are very helpful and calm.
Okay. But my
Thank you.
topic was Republic Day. Yeah, I think so. You have forgot it. No problem. It's okay. You have spoken. You have speaked out. That means that is enough for me. Ashi, are you ready now? Ashi, if you are ready, just switch on your video. Last chance to you. Otherwise, zero. No problem. Who is Anaisha? Who is Anaisha? Switch on the video.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is Anaisha? I want to know. Who is Anaisha?
Ma'am, Tanay.
Okay.
I've renamed my name.
Okay. Tanay, switch on your video.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Tanay. Please start.
Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friend. On this occasion, I would like to thank the teacher for providing me a great opportunity to speak about the special day. We are all aware that India got its independence on August 15, 1947. Yet the country didn't have its very own constitution. Rather, it was executed under the laws by British. After numerous consecution and revision, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar presented a draft which was accepted and
Excuse me, Tanay.
become.
Excuse me, Tanay.
Yes, ma'am.
Whosoever is
Yes, ma'am.
repeating beside you, उनको मना कीजिए बोलने के लिए. If it is your parents, then also tell
Okay.
them not to speak. And you have
Okay,
to
ma'am.
speak out without seeing. You are continuously reading the paragraph. Okay, you continue now.
Okay, ma'am.
Ah.
On January 1950 and become the Constitution of India. The word republic signifies the power which is supreme in this way. The Republic of India. Each resistant right, and we celebrate Republic Day every year on 26 January. This day is all about and thank you for listening. Happy Republic Day.
Okay. Arham Jain. Arham Jain. Are you there, Arham Jain? Are you there, Arham Jain? Zero to Arham Jain. Arav Jain. Arav Jain. Okay. Arav, you just switch on your camera. Titi, you have to wait now.
Ma'am, one
Or
question.
is over, na? Okay. Okay, now switch off. Switch off.
Ma'am, आराम की
Now next child is Bhavya Jain. Bhavya Jain. Bhavya Jain. Are you there? Okay. Abhay is here. Bhavya, please start.
मैम क्या मैम मैं लेकिन कुछ पार्टिसिपेट नहीं कर रही.
That means you will get 0 then. No problem.
क्या
I don't understand kya. You have to speak in English with in me. We want to speak together.
मैम आई एम नॉट पार्टिसिपेट रिपब्लिक डे.
0. No problem. Don't participate. Yesterday I have told you all many a times. No problem. Janya Gohel. Janya. Don't raise your hand, Tapasya. Wait. Yes, Aram wants to speak.
मैम
Yes, Aram.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, ma'am and my dear friends. I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity. It and in my pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Aram Ravicha. My topic is about Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14th of November 1889. His mother name was Swarup Rani. Nehruji is famous among the children as Chacha. Nehruji belonged to community of Kashmiri Pandit. Nehruji had completed graduation from Trinity College in Cambridge. It depends. Nehruji worked from the 15th of August 1947 till the 27th of May 1964. Continuously as Prime Minister. Thank you.
Okay. Switch off your camera. Avni, we will talk to you later because I have to give chance to many more students. We are done. Bhavya is not ready. Then Aram done. Janya. Janya.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have not done. मैम मैं आपको कल तक सुना
Sorry.
दूंगी.
Activity day means activity day.
मैम tomorrow.
No.
मैम tomorrow करना है इसे.
No. Once the chance is gone means
Please, ma'am.
you have to be serious. No, please. Next week again be prepared for. Every Friday you will be having activity. First activity you will get 0 then. You have to be prepared when I have asked you. Josh. Josh. Where are you? Switch on your camera. Just switch on your camera. Okay, good. Start. Wait, Josh. Yes, Josh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Myself is Josh Thakur for class 5th. Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
I tell a poem.
Yes, anything, whatever you have prepared.
Good morning, sky. Good morning, sun. Good morning, little wind that run. Good morning, birds. Good morning, tree and creeping grass and growing weeds. How did you find out it was day? It was day. Going away. I went away. I up now. I will ride out to play with you. Thank you.
Okay. Next, after Josh, Maulik. 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 Where is Maulik? Maulik, are you present? Maulik, are you there? No answer. Nisha? 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 Switch on your camera. Yes, Nisha. Please start.
Yes, ma'am. पापा माइक ऑन है मैम कैन आई स्टार्ट
Yes, beta.
I would like to say good morning to my respected principal ma'am and my dear friends. Republic Day, also called as 26th January, which is celebrated every year, as this day is of great importance for every Indian. Because at this day, India was declared as the Republic country.
I'm sorry, Nishta. Beta, I want to see you when you whatever you are saying. I don't want this picture. Say. Say.
Ma'am?
Start again.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, from starting.
Yes. Fast.
Yes, ma'am. Republic Day, also called as 26th January, which is celebrated every year, as this day is of great importance for every Indian. Because at this day, India was declared as the Republic country as well as Constitute of India came into force after independence of long years of struggle. India got independence on 15th of August in 1947, and 2.5 years later it became a democratic republic. It was appointed
It's democratic.
democratic.
Democratic. Yes.
It was appointed to the drafting community to draft a permanent Constitution of India to the meeting on 28th of August in 1947. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of drafting community
Yes, ma'am.
who took responsibility and submitted the Constitution of India to the Assembly on 4th of November in 1947. Thank you.
Okay. Next is Samriddhi. Samriddhi. Then Shashwat. Then Suhani. Samriddhi, Shashwat, Suhani. Samriddhi.
Ma'am, can I start?
Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Start. Start.
Good afternoon to all. Good afternoon to all friends and my teachers. My name is Samriddhi Jain. I am from class 5th A. My topic is on Republic Day. On 26th January, the historical day to remember our national heroes and freedom fighters who supported to give a Republic Day. Thank you.
Okay. Next, Shashwat. Switch off your camera, Samriddhi. Shashwat. Shashwat. Samriddhi, you can switch off your camera. Shashwat. Shashwat, are you there? Shashwat. No, absent. Suhani. Suhani. Suhani,
Yes,
unmute
ma'am.
yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Start.
My name is Suhani Chopra. My topic is Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January. In the year 1950, the, the, the Constitution was formed. India turned into a secular and democratic-based nation of the day. Students effectively partake in debates, painting competitions, singing, dancing, and so on. On the day, all the workplaces and establishments stay closed as this day is a national occasion. Thank you.
Okay. Next is Tanay. Tanay, I think so over. Tanay over. Tapasya, not prepared. Tapasya, are you ready? Tapasya, are you ready?
Good morning, ma'am, and good morning, ma'ams and friends. My name is Tapasya and I study in class 5th. My topic is Republic Day. Republic Day in India is celebrated on 26th January. Every year, it is a national holiday. The transitions of India from a British dominion to an independent republic in the week of the British declaring their exile from India's soil and communication, drafting community and opportunity. Ma'am, done.
Okay. After Tapasya, Tithi. 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 Start.
Yes, ma'am.
Start.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Titi Jain and I am from class 50. My topic is about importance of discipline. Discipline is intent of discipline is important in our everyday life. It is unitar important to maintain as it grades and person that one is. It also helps to achieve better grades in school. On one is able to concentrate more than studies and not in other things. It also helps a person achieve their goals. Discipline is the right that that every person should have one better life when they are achieve the goals. Thank you.
Good. Next, Riddhi.
Yes, ma'am.
Start, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. everyone. My name is Preeti Chopra. I'm from class 5th. And my topic is I'm going to tell a poem. And my topic is Republic Day. Let's celebrate our Republic Day with a pomp and splendor with brothers and sisters. But never forget, remember the freedom struggle. And remember the sacrifice of soldier. Remember the sacrifice of leader. The great sons of the soil who died for the country, fighting together to attain freedom. Let's pay homage from heart's bottom to the great dedicated sons who set their lives into fame. Without home and fame, without name and fame, for the motherland, joining hand in hand, blue citizens. Jai Hind, Happy Republic Day. Thank you.
Okay. Yug. Where is Yug? Gone. Kavya. Yug. Are you there, Yug? Switch on your camera and mic. Yug, we are waiting for you. Switch on your camera and mic. Acha. 0 to you. Good. Kavya. Very good. Chalo. No answer. She is only in video. Children, mind it. One important, very important thing, that is whenever I am pointing out that yes, on Monday we will do the revision of next chapter, okay, right? And the chapter which we are going to revise, that we are going to have test on Thursday, and on Friday we will have this. Marks is actually confidential marks beta. We cannot show it to you all. This is an class internal marks which goes for the whole year's performance record. Fine. So I cannot announce these activity marks right now. Okay. And those who have not spoken or were not prepared, I have given directly, and you can see this is my diary and I have already noted down everything. So on Monday, we will have revision. Thursday, the one chapter which we are going to revise it on Monday, the same chapter test will be there on Thursday. And on Friday, every Friday, we will have activity. And activity will be related to English only. You have to speak in English. There is no other excuse I cannot give to any one of you. You have to start speaking only in English, even when you are studying, even when you are talking to your brothers and sisters, so that you can develop your spoken skill part also. Clear? You need to take care of all these things. So take care. Bye-bye. See you on Monday. Bye.